one day, just stay. Close your eyes, no shed no tears. Keep it dark, close the shade. I'm on the pills, you on that lean. You fuck me slow, go do your thing. Let's take some peace, let's take some scenes. Play back, make a scene. She got a belly sound with no teeth. She got it.
You better stay, traitor. You never thought the universe be looking for revenge. You think you just doing a good like that, thinking that nobody fit but me. Losing your mind, baby. Can't be sure. Time's wasting. I used to need you. I'm sorry, I'm just here to do my job. We could've been, try to pretend. Now when it ends, we don't dream about, don't think about what we could've been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, I dream about, I think about what this feels just for you and your wrongs. I'm just here to do my job. Never in the skies, blasting all white trees, so down, it goes supposed to ride. You done told me I should be only one around. Talking about you make it my way, made it my way.
I look real crazy right now. Look at all that dandruff. That's crazy. I have a little bald spot. I'm gonna see how it look when I wash my hair, but I think I pulled my hair out on the sides. I know I did right here, and then like a little bit right here. So I'm gonna wash it now. I'm gonna let the shampoo sit in my hair for a little bit actually, but I'm gonna wet it first and then I'm gonna wash it, and then when I get my hair washed I'm gonna talk back to y'all. But I'll probably end up washing it again tomorrow, just because I need something to like literally help me maintain this craziness. Every single time I turn my back, it's time for another monthly freaking reset. Like, oh my god, I'm finna just stop turning around at this point. I'm done turning around. I ain't even gonna turn around. There is so much to get done. There's so much to get done. And I'm not gonna lie, it's already July 11th. Or, hold on, my bad, I lied. Oops. It's already July 8th. And there's still so much to get done. We're finna turn this Tuesday up. We're about to hurry up and get this stuff done. We're not even finna waste no time. I'm finna give y'all a quick little haul of everything we gotta do. We gotta reflect on last month. We got a goal set. We got a budget. We gotta clean. We got a lot of stuff to do. But let's start with the cleaning portion. And while my car is already sitting outside dirty, while it's looking crazy, we're gonna start with the car. We're gonna go outside to inside. But let me first show y'all. Yeah, we're just gonna go outside to inside. Okay, so let's go. This is literally before. The car is literally dusty, y'all. It's fingerprints and everything on here. So, can y'all see it? It looks dirty. Real dusty. Okay, you can see this. Real dusty. We're on the way to the car wash right now. I got some wipes. I got some wipes for the inside of my car, some glass cleaner wipes, and then I also got like a Febreze type of freshener thing to go inside the car. And then after, I just got a couple of things like cleaning supplies that I need to get from Dollar Tree, because I'm not going to Walmart to get that stuff, because it's literally just like a mop, but like a mop head type of thing for the walls, like specifically just for the walls. Wipes, some wipes, and then there's something else that I need, but I don't know, but we're gonna get it when we get there, okay?
get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheese salsa. Hit on with that cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it off a salsa, you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of grown boys. Die y'all some robots, die y'all some robots. We GBE dopers, we got lots of dopers. This is not salsa, and they love them glow.
Indie, I like it. Okay, thank you.
Won't speak again, boy. Don't think that I'm playing, boy. No, we don't use hands, boy. No, we don't do friends, boy. Collect bills on the landlord. I can lots of commas. I can fuck your mama. I ain't with the drama. You can meet my llama. Riding with 300. With 300 baller. These bitches see cheese sauce. I swear I got they all now. These bitches not salsa. Oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old bus. You gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers. These hoes are cheese salsa. Hit on with that cobra. Now that boy slumped over. They do it off a salsa. You boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy. Yo clip full of grown boys. Die y'all some robots. Die y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys. We got lots of dope boy. Don't make me call you Rose boy. D6 double O boy. And he keep that point boy. You gon' get fucked over. Bitch, I done so soda. And I done so coca. She gon' clap for salsa. He gon' clap for salsa. They do it for salsa. Them hoes that's all for salsa. They don't want that molly water. So nigga be cool like water. Before you get hit with this lobby. Bitch,
this smells so freaking good. So I just got back to the house. I had cleaned my car, as y'all seen. I stopped at Dollar Tree like I said that I was. So I had got a couple little different things or whatever. I had got these little Hawaiian things for the house because that was actually my first time seeing them. So I was like, hold on, let's get them. So I had got these for the house, and then I got some snacks and stuff. And then I also got some of this for the floors because honestly I didn't feel like going to Walmart or nothing like that, and at the end of the day it's just gonna get vacuumed up. I just need it for the smell. And then I got these multi-purpose wipes. I ain't never used these before, and they had no other ones, or at least I didn't see no other wipes. So if they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. They finna work today, okay? So already put clothes in the laundry, as y'all can hear. I'm literally about to clean up, and then I'm about to clean up for a little bit. I'll let y'all see a little bit of it. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm not gonna say I didn't lost my mind, but life be lifing. Like literally life be lifing. I don't know, like I live here. It's gonna get messy sometimes. Like I'm done explaining myself. I live here. I get tired. You feel me? I got agendas and stuff and other stuff to do. I don't know why I'm snapping on y'all, but I'm snapping on myself because I'm so hard on myself at times to keep everything clean and tidy all the time. It's like, girl, you work, you create content, you film, like you have a lot that you're doing up under your belt. Like granted, you're not gonna be the cleanest person every single time, but you want to be the cleanest person every single time. So that's why I stress you out. It's me versus me. I swear it's me versus me. But what I am about to say is I'm about to go ahead and put some of this down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start in the kitchen and make my way to the room while doing laundry, just to get laundry done in the gist of everything. It's 8:22 right now. I'm trying to be done by 9:30. I'm not cooking today because this I'll cook tomorrow. Another thing, am I the only one that don't watch Love Island? Am I the only one? Is this safe? I don't watch it. Should I? Or is it overhyped? I don't know. Let me know. Do everything I ask of you. Drive across the country if I ask to. But I'm just bad for you. I fumbled your heart. We just got the room left to do. I know I'm probably loud, but we just got the room left to do. I just mopped the floors. I did the bathroom. I did the kitchen. I just need to do the room and then vacuum.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it be.
I feel like one of the main things that I struggle with is goal setting. I'm not gonna lie, because I give myself these goals and then I always say that I want to break them down by daily, weekly, and monthly, and I feel like it never aligns like that. Like, I start to make my agendas, and I'm sorry if that's loud but I start to make my agendas and stuff and they don't reflect on my goals for that month. So now it's just like I'm back in the habit of doing stuff on my regular norm, but nothing to go towards my goals. So this time around, I kind of want to incorporate more of my daily agendas to tackle my goals to help have that snowball effect. So as you can see, all the stuff that's checked out and stuff like that, it's daily goals that I have, or daily agendas that I have set forth for myself, and I'm still working on this one. That's why it's a little all over the place, but I want to definitely be more in tune with my goals. I want them to be written on my board, and I want them to literally be plastered in front of my face so I see them and I know what I'm supposed to be doing for that month. And honestly, I want to kind of get out of something like, oh, hitting this for YouTube, having this saved. I want to put exercising into this. I want to put connecting more with God into this. I want to put more into like a healing journey for myself, to heal my mind and be on a better mental level so that I could accomplish everything that I need to accomplish, because I feel like that is definitely a roadblock for me. My mindset, like when I have a bad day or something like that, I just let that determine everything, and that's not cool, because your goals don't stop at what was dictated for you. Or just because you had a bad day at work doesn't mean that you have a bad life. So you cannot let that job determine how, or set the mood for the rest of your day. Like, no, that's not cool. So I feel like that's something that I definitely could learn for this month, because June, I feel like I made a decent amount of goals, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't touch this journal at all in June to like reflect on my goals or to look at my goals or anything like that. So no, for a fact, none of this stuff probably has been accomplished. I didn't even make goals for June, and if I did, it's not in here, which is usually, that's where they're usually at. I remember making goals for June, but I don't even know where they at no more, you know what I mean? So that's a problem. So I want to literally be more organized and make obtainable goals, make stuff that is realistic for myself right now, not like hit 1 million subscribers. Like, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So how are you gonna hit 1 million subscribers? And I just want to, like, I don't know, utilize more of my resources that I do have, because I have a lot. We have social media, like there's ample of resources that we can use. So I want to just go ahead and do that, and then I'm probably going to end up resetting my board real fast too, so I'll record that too. But yeah, y'all, I really want to be intentional and soak in this moment to be able to just reset, refocus, reshift my mind, and my mindset, and just build better habits. That's what this is, all this is about, like building better habits. So it's time to build these better habits. Okay, so I'm finna continue to make these goals. Once I reset my calendar, I'm gonna tune in with y'all.
Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005, hold up.
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 Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be by your side. Till 2005, hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
Okay, so we did all of our goal setting. Now it's time to act on every last goal. So I want to set myself up for success, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my agenda for today, which I have to edit this video actually and post it on Sunday. So I hope that this really resonated with somebody to get up off your ass and get to it, because at the end of the day, nothing's gonna change for you. Nothing happens overnight, and nobody's gonna change anything for you. So you have to be the one to make the change yourself, and in order to make changes, you're gonna have to get 1% better every single day and put forth energy towards something. And failure, you can't say that you failed if you didn't try. So just try. And this is a whole series of building better habits. I have other videos that's going to be linked right here to give you more videos to watch on this topic, and it'll be a series for a while, because in order to build better habits, it takes about 21 days, but I say about 90. Okay, so I love y'all. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in our next video. Bye.